how to find nearby Barclays branch or ATM using the. So in order to find the Barclays branch or ATM using the app, you'll have to follow this step. First of all, go ahead and open up your browser. On the web address bar, type in barclays.com. And when you open up the Barclays application, now type in www.barclays.co.uk. And when you open it up, then it's going to take you to this page. So over here, you could go ahead and press the search bar tool, or you could just tap on the help button. And here you could go ahead and type in find a branch or cash machine. Press the search button located right at the bottom, and a notification may appear asking you to confirm if you are happy for the Barclays to access your location while in the app. Now you will be shown in the map with the local branch and the cash machine. So that's basically how you can find nearby Barclays branch or ATM using the app. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.